also going to have a second question like this where you have to figure out the area of a shaded region, and this one involves subtracting area. So in this case, I'm going to find the area of the larger piece, so in this case of the rectangle. Okay, so this whole rectangle all the way around here. Okay, I'm going to find that area, and then I'm going to subtract the area of the triangle that's inside there, because there's a triangle that's basically being cut out of this rectangle. Okay, we just want to know the area of the shaded part. Okay, so how you would do this, so we start with our rectangle. So area of a rectangle is going to be area equals length times width, which again we've talked about. You could use base times height as well. It doesn't really make a difference, but it's one side times the other side. So here, this side I already have is 8, but for the other side, for the rectangle, these numbers are kind of small, but if you do 4 plus 6, that's 10, plus 3 is 13. So my entire side length of my rectangle, oh my god, I can't believe it's doing this again. Okay, let me just pause this. Okay, I really want to apologize if these two videos are really low quality. I'm just going to post them the way they are because I know that you need this support for your quiz, which is tomorrow. Okay, so sorry about that. All right, so we have 13 and 8. So here you're going to do, my length is 13, my width is 8. Again, you are allowed to use a calculator, so you do 13 times 8 equals 104. Okay, so in that case, the units were centimeters, so it's 104 centimeters squared for the rectangle. My second part is this triangle here. Okay, and we need to remember that the formula for the triangle is area equals base times height. Okay, so the base of the triangle is here, this 6. The height is 5. But at the end, for a triangle, we do divide it by 2. Okay, so here I'm going to do 6 times 5, and at the end, divided by 2. So you can use your calculator, but you should be able to do 6 times 5 in your head is 30 divided by 2. And 30 divided by 2 is 15. So the triangle is 15 centimeters squared. All right, and in this case, we're going to do 104 minus 15 because you want the area of just the shaded part. So the area of the rectangle that we had was including this triangle. It's like we're cutting that triangle out. So we're going to do 104 minus 15. Okay, so again, if you need to check on your calculator, you still have 104 minus 15 is 89. And if you check your answers on the back, you should have had that the composite area was 89, and you have to include your units, centimeters squared, and then you circle your answer. Okay, so your quiz tomorrow has just these two kinds of questions. They're obviously not going to be these exact questions, but one where you have to find a combined area like we did in number 1, where you have to add the pieces together. Another one where you have to get rid of part of the shape, so you would have to subtract the area.